This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rock cod fish. First, select fresh rock cod fillets, aiming for pieces about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice sear. Next, season both sides generously with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and any herbs you love like dill or parsley to enhance its natural flavor. Rock cod is incredibly versatile, lending itself well to several cooking methods. Pan-searing is fantastic for a crispy exterior. Simply cook for about 4 minutes per side over medium-high heat. For a lighter option, baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes will give you a beautifully moist and flaky fish. If you prefer a smoky taste, grilling for 3 to 4 minutes per side works wonderfully, especially with a light marinade. Rock cod's mild, sweet flavor pairs beautifully with a variety of accompaniments. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped herbs, such as parsley or cilantro, can brighten the dish significantly. Consider a simple pan sauce made with 2 tablespoons of butter, minced garlic, and a splash of white wine to elevate its richness. For a complete meal, serve your cooked rock cod alongside roasted asparagus, a crisp green salad, or fluffy white rice. To ensure your rock cod is perfectly cooked every time, remember a few key tips. The most important is to avoid overcooking. Rock cod is ready when it flakes easily with a fork and appears opaque throughout. For precision, use a meat thermometer to confirm an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, allow the fish to rest for 2 to 3 minutes after removing it from the heat. This helps the juices redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful fillet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.